Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video. And today, just an hour ago, Apple released iOS 13.5, which includes kind of a handful of new features. So in this video we're going to go through all of them, and believe me, there are some very interesting ones. So yeah, first off, a little bit of history about this release. It was first a beta of iOS 13.4.2, I believe. However, then Apple and Google collaborated and made this API to track exposure of people to the virus, to like if you have been close to someone that has been diagnosed with COVID-19. So then, yeah, they basically bumped it up, included in this release the API for developers, and they bumped up the version to 13.5. So this is what we're getting today. The first thing that we're getting is the COVID-19 exposure notifications option. So to see this, to activate it or deactivate it, you have to go to settings, privacy, and then to health, and you can see the option here to switch it. However, it's not available in Spain. However, you will need an external app to use this. Only governments can make apps for this. So yeah, now they have this API, but each government for each country has to do their own app, though they can help with this API. Also regarding COVID-19 and an issue that has been very annoying for many users, since the whole world now is wearing masks, Face ID will now detect whether you're wearing a mask and speed up the process of getting you to include the passcode. Here you can see a comparison between the new iOS 13.5 and how it was before in iOS 13.4. But probably the most useful feature about this whole release is this one that I really like. So now from Apple Music you can share songs to Instagram stories. To do that, you just go in a song, 3D touch or haptic touch or whatever your device has on that song, choose share, and then choose Instagram, and you will see how it creates a story with this blurry background of the cover art, and it has the Apple Music bundle, and it's a good way of sharing the story. Another very exciting feature is the inclusion of new watch faces for the Pride 2020 edition, as you can see that I am wearing right now. And yeah, these go very well with the new bands that I am unboxing here. I just have unboxed so you can see them here. And yeah, there is quite a few of them. However, there's a bug because this is supposed to work with watchOS 6.2.5, which was released 2 days ago. However, there's a bug and some of them don't seem to work on the Apple Watch, but I'm sure Apple will fix it very soon. And last but not least, there is an option to disable the prominence magnification in FaceTime calls. So when you're in a group FaceTime call and someone speaks, their square just gets bigger. So there's an option to disable that and choose one contact that you want big all the time. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's new, everything noteworthy that's new in this update. What do you think about it? What's your favorite feature? Is there anything else you have wanted to see? Remember, iOS 14 will be introduced in about a month, so yeah, we will see many new things there. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you for now. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe for more Apple related content coming every week. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.